Today, we will be showing you guys how to set the time and date on the CR180. You first want to start by pressing number 4 and key mode at the same time. You want to go down to the second option, which says General Settings, and press your cache button to enter. Then you want to go down to the third option that says Set Date and press cache to enter. It's going to allow you to put your desired format. To change the format, you would press your subtotal button. In this case, we would start with month, day, and year. Once you have chosen your desired format, you could press your cache button to enter. And here is where you would enter your date. You could start by pressing 03 for month, 31 for day, and 2026 for year, and then press enter. Now you may press your card button to exit, and the date will be saved. Now you want to head down to number 4, which says Set Time, by pressing your PO button, and press your cache button to enter. Here you may enter your time. For us, the time is 04/17/00. Press enter. And there you have it. That's how to set the time and date on the CR180.